Welcome to Huggy Tales, where imagination takes flight and every story sparkles with magic. Have you ever wondered if stars can talk? Laila did. One night, the stars whispered to her and took her on a magical adventure. Let's find out what secrets the stars shared with Laila. Welcome to the story of Laila and the Starlight Whisper. A small, quiet village nestled between rolling green hills and a sparkling river. Above the village, the night sky was filled with countless twinkling stars, and the villagers often said that the stars held secrets. Laila was a curious 7-year-old who loved gazing up at the stars. Every night, she would climb onto the roof of her little house, snuggle in a blanket and whisper, "What secrets do you hold, stars?" One evening, as she watched the sky, a single star blinked brighter and brighter as if winking at her. Suddenly, a soft silvery voice spoke. "Laila, would you like to hear a secret?" Laila sat up, her eyes wide. "Who is there?" she asked. "It's me, Stella, the star," the voice replied. "I have been watching you and I think you're ready for an adventure." Laila's heart raced with excitement. "An adventure? Where?" "Among the stars," Stella said with a sparkle. Before Laila could ask more, a beam of starlight surrounded her. She felt light as a feather and whoosh! She was flying through the night sky. Laila soared past the shimmering constellations, weaving between the glowing orbits of light. She landed on a fluffy silver cloud where Stella appeared as a tiny glowing figure. "I brought you here because the stars need your help," Stella said. "Our light comes from the dreams of the children," Stella explained. "But lately, some children are dimming because children are not dreaming as much." Laila frowned. "Why are not they dreaming?" "They have forgotten how to wonder," Stella said. "They needed someone to remind them of the magic and imagination. Will you help?" Laila nodded. "What can I do?" Stella handed a pouch of stardust glittering like diamonds. "Sprinkle this dust wherever you see children. It'll spark their imagination," said Stella. Laila floated back to her village with the dust pouch in her hand. She sprinkled a little near a boy who was playing with a wooden plane. The boy gasped as the plane began to glow and zoom through the air like a real one. He laughed and cheered, his eyes shining with wonder. Next, Laila sprinkled some dust near a girl drawing in the sand. The drawings came to life. A fish leaped out of the sand, flipping its tail, and the girl screamed with delight. Laila moved from house to house, spreading the magical dust. Soon the entire village was buzzing with laughter and excitement. Children dreamed of flying, building castles, and even talking to animals. When the village lights dimmed and the children went to sleep, Laila looked up at the sky. The stars were brighter than ever, twinkling like the jewels. Stella appeared again. "You have done it, Laila. The stars are glowing brighter because of you," Stella said. "But remember, the magic is not just in the dust, it is in the hearts of those who believe. Lila smiled as Stella Starlight lifted her back to her rooftop. She waved goodbye to the sparkling night sky, feeling proud and happy. From that night on, Lila shared her stories of magic and adventure with everyone she met, reminding them that wonder was all around if they just looked for it. So, my little ones, remember, imagination and wonder are the keys to keeping the world magical. Never stop dreaming and always believe in the extraordinary. If you loved Lila's magical adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Huggy Tales for more exciting stories. Share this enchanting tale with your loved ones and let their imagination sparkle too. See you in the next magical adventure. Bye.